Hello everyone, once again welcome back to my channel. As we all know that breakfast is the most important meal of the day and we should have a healthy breakfast before we do anything. But during weekdays, we don't want to spend much of the time to prepare breakfast. So in some cases, we may skip it. But today I'm going to show you 3 toast recipes which are not only super easy but they are delicious and healthy too. So without wasting much of the time, let's begin. So the first recipe is avocado toast. For that I'm going to cut the avocado in half around the pit. Twist halves apart. And to remove the pit, whack knife with heel of hand and twist. Now take a small bowl and scoop out the flesh. And with the help of a fork, mash them thoroughly. Now you need to toast 2 slices of bread. You can take multigrain or even wheat flour. Now spread the mashed avocado on the top of it. Now we need to add few drops of lime juice. Sprinkle black pepper powder. Pinch of salt. And I would like to add few chili flakes. If you don't like, you can skip this. And that's it. Your avocado toast is ready. So the next recipe is avocado toast with fried egg. So I'm gonna heat up the pan and I'm gonna add few drops of oil. Once the oil is heat, I'm gonna crack 1 egg into it, adding few black pepper powder and a pinch of salt. Now I'm gonna cover it with a lid and let it cook for 1 minute. Meanwhile, I'm gonna toast a slice of bread. At the same way, I'm gonna spread the mashed avocado. And adding baby spinach leaves. Squeeze up the lime juice. Pinch of salt. Pepper powder. And just place the egg over it. So this was the second recipe which was good to go. So the third and final recipe is of French toast. So here I'm gonna crack up 2 eggs in a large bowl. Now adding 1 tablespoon of white sugar. You can add more or less, or instead of white you can add brown too. Now adding quarter teaspoon of vanilla essence. Quarter teaspoon of cinnamon powder. Now whisk it. Now adding quarter cup of whole milk. So instead of whole milk you can add almond milk or 2%. Now give it a good mix. Now heating up a large pan and adding approximately half tablespoon to 1 tablespoon of butter. Once the butter gets melted, I'm gonna dip the bread slices into the batter and I'm gonna cook it for approximately 30 to 40 seconds or until it gets brown. So once it gets cooked from the one side, you can flip it over and cook the other side. Now once it's done, you can serve it in a plate and you can drizzle some maple syrup on the top of it. And if you don't have maple syrup, you can add honey too. So hope you have enjoyed these 3 toast recipes, and I would love to see your feedback in the comment section below. So till we meet again, take care, bye bye.